What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl, D to the E to the D to the E. Got my refrigerator wide open. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't forget when I drop a video, period. Look, baby, I got my eyebrows done. They look good. Curly over there eating. He fat and full. Guys, I just went grocery shopping. Let me show you. So, this is what I got. This is $160 worth of food. That's that. Bought me gingerbread. Wait for that video. Some noodles. Some chips. So right now I'm about to pull this glass out, my refrigerator at the bottom, and I'm gonna clean it off, wash it and shit real quick. Let me show you, it's dirty. So this is how my refrigerator look. It's pretty empty. Maybe this shit in here. That's why I went to show you. Alright guys, so this is before. I just took that out. Got it out, the glass out. And I'm about to wash this and wash this. And watch this. Put up a Go-Gurt. Is it still good? October 24th. It's no good no more. Hey guys, so I cleaned everything out, put the shelves back in there. There you go. This is how it look after. I got more liquids than anything because I be dehydrated. Okay guys, so that's how I did my meat. Alright guys, so that was $160 worth of groceries. I buy more liquids and then like main food. And stop, Charlie. And then I drop my vegetables like when I'm about to cook something because vegetables spoil so fast. And it's just one person, just me. So I got lasagnas and pie pies and chicken and ground beef and stuff that I'm gonna use to cook and eat and whatever. But right now, I'm done with that. So I'm about to open this toy up I got for Charlie, my dog. If you don't know, now you know. This will stay. Okay. So this is the toy I got Charlie. I was gonna return it because it was $21, so plus taxes, I think the same toy on Amazon for freaking $18. Something told me to wait and get it off Amazon, but I didn't, and it's okay. We're gonna open it. Go ahead and open it. It says it's a tap lip treatment. It says dog flips being released treats help reduce destructive behavior by exercising your dog's mind. And my dog needs it because so I don't even know how to put the treats in. Does it put the treats in this way? What do I do? Oh, okay. So it says to put treats in on both sides. These are Charlie's favorite treats. These are his favorite treats by Wellness. They look like this, and I'm about to just cut them in half and throw them in there. It's just gonna heat up on top. Boop. Okay, guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling like that girl. My head itch. Baby, let me tell you, this lace glue I've been using, it's good until out the shower. Usually if I have bold in or the spray or whatever, that should be coming up. So, you feel me? This brand, good. They glue, good. Don't play with them. Right now I'm about to roll up and get on TikTok, go live and get on TikTok. Yeah. Stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next, guys. I really don't be doing shit. I have a very boring ass life. I'm just cute. But yeah.